Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to search and replace in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to search and replace text. Click the page, then go to the home menu. Now we can see here many options. Now we select the find option. Now we can see here opened a search box. Now we search any word, write this search box. Now I search the to word. Then click find next. Now we can see here automatic selected the to word very easily. Now we want to replace text, click the replace option. Now we want to replace this toothpaste to another text, write replace with option. Now I write any number like 0130. Then click replace all, otherwise replace. Now I select the replace all. Then we can see here show a message. We could not find what you are looking for. Okay. Now we can see here automatically replace the look word very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.